I am kind of trying to create the feel of an impressionistic style painting like Monet, and create a scene with a swan and some cattails. So I have no idea if this is going to work. I'm kind of doing the first half, which will be the water, in darker blues, and then I'll do the top half in for the sky in lighter blues, and then in theory embed the swan and the cattails that I made and hope that it all works. But I kind of want that like layered looks, and I should probably, oh well. So basically I'm just gonna kind of switch off pouring these back and forth. It would be easier if I could do it long ways, but I want it to kind of get vertical layers. So if I did it this way, it wouldn't be the effect I wanted. So again, I have no idea how this will work. I'm just gonna kind of go with it and see what happens and hope that it's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up because it's gonna take me a while to make all these passes. So enjoy. Okay, so I'm hoping that I can get these gaps filled doing this technique. So we'll see. I hope it works. It looked like I was getting kind of that pattern I wanted when I poured this. So I kind of hope that it will actually be what I want when I cut this, but let's just keep going. I'm going to do the same thing, but this time for the sky. Hope that I don't displace anything. I'll put the cattails in once I've got more color in there, because they won't stand on their own right now. So I'm really curious to see how this turned out. I think the bottom is going to be different than the top because my top especially one color, started getting a little too thick. Which could create a very cool effect, so who knows. But I really hope it's cool. And I really hope under the nose got filled. It's a little gap. That didn't get all the way down, or it pushed up, one of the two. Probably just I didn't get it all the way down. It's interesting. Like, I like it. I'm a little annoyed at my swan. The head got a little pushed in, and I just have little air gaps there, which is not the end of the world. I wish these had gotten down and a little bit closer. I almost wish I had more of them, but man, they were annoying to put together because they were so thin. It's not bad. I like it enough that I actually probably might play around again with the technique. I almost like the thicker a little bit better. Like, I think it's cool. I definitely gonna play around with that some more. I think lighter colors for the whole bar would give it more of that impressionist kind of style feel. But it's different. It's a cute bar, don't get me wrong. So yeah, I think I'll have to play a bit more. Let me know what you think.